Hey there, food lovers! Today we're making the most luscious frozen margarita pie ever. This pie is a celebration in every slice, bringing the fiesta to your table. Picture a creamy lime pie with a hint of tequila and sweetness, like a refreshing margarita in dessert form. This pie is a perfect treat for summer barbecues, pool parties, or a quiet night in. It's a showstopper for any occasion, big or small. Get ready to impress. Your journey as everyone's favorite dessert maker begins now. Let's do this! Before we dive in, let's take a moment to gather all of our ingredients because every great recipe starts with a little bit of preparation. Laying everything out ahead of time not only makes the process smoother, but it also helps you feel like a pro in your kitchen. We're not using anything fancy here, just simple, everyday items you probably already have in your pantry. But when these ingredients come together, they create something truly extraordinary. For our crust, you'll need 2 cups of crushed pretzels. The pretzels add a salty crunch that's irresistible and gives our pie a unique twist. Next, pour in 3/4 of a cup of melted unsalted butter. The butter helps bind the crust together and adds a rich, decadent flavor that pairs perfectly with the salty pretzels. Then, sprinkle in a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. This touch of sweetness balances out the saltiness of the pretzels and brings everything together. That's it for our crust ingredients. A simple combination that creates a salty, sweet, crunchy base for our pie. It's the perfect foundation for the creamy filling to come. Now let's move on to the star of the show, the margarita filling. This is where the magic really happens. Start with 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. This ingredient is key. It gives our filling that luscious, creamy texture and just the right amount of sweetness. Next, add 1/2 cup of fresh lime juice for that signature tangy kick, 2 tablespoons of tequila for a little grown-up flair, and 2 tablespoons of triple sec to round out the classic margarita flavor. Don't worry, the alcohol is subtle but makes the pie taste special. For an extra burst of citrus, grate in a tablespoon of fresh lime zest. This adds a pop of color and a fragrant aroma to make your kitchen smell amazing. To make the filling light and dreamy, you'll need 1 cup of cold, heavy whipping cream. This is what gives our pie that fluffy, mousse-like texture that melts in your mouth. Make sure your cream is super cold before you start whipping. It's the secret to getting that perfect, airy consistency. If you want to go the extra mile, chill your mixing bowl and whisk too. That's everything you need for this recipe. Just a handful of simple ingredients, but when combined, they create a dessert that's truly unforgettable. Having all your ingredients measured and ready to go makes the process not only smooth, but also a lot more enjoyable. It's like setting up your own little baking station. Now that we're prepped and organized, we're ready to start building the most amazing frozen margarita pie ever. Mixing everything together is where the fun really begins. Just imagine the creamy, tangy filling paired with that crunchy, salty, sweet crust. It's a combination that's sure to impress anyone who takes a bite. There are no complicated steps here. Just straightforward, easy to follow instructions, and great flavors that come together in no time. So go ahead, gather your ingredients from the pantry and fridge, and set them out on your counter. This is your moment to shine in the kitchen. With just a little bit of effort, you're about to become a frozen dessert champion. Friends and family will be asking for this recipe again and again. Ready to get started? Let's move on to making the crust. Remember, simple ingredients can lead to significant, delicious results. Let's do this together. Time to make some magic in the kitchen. It's time to build the foundation of our dessert masterpiece. Let's talk crust. Today we're making a pretzel crust that's salty, sweet, and totally addictive. This isn't your average pie base. This crust is going to bring a whole new level of flavor and texture to our dessert. Forget the usual graham crackers. Pretzels are the star here. They add a unique crunch and a hint of saltiness that perfectly balances the sweetness of our filling. Plus, they give the crust a fun, unexpected twist that will have everyone asking for your secret. To start, grab your favorite pretzels and crush them into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor for a quick and even texture, or if you want to get a little hands-on, toss them in a zip-top bag and crush them with a rolling pin. Either way, you're looking for a sandy, crumbly consistency. Think of it as the base for all the deliciousness to come. Once your pretzels are crushed, pour the crumbs into a mixing bowl. Add in some sugar to bring a touch of sweetness that will balance out the salty notes. Stir everything together until the sugar is evenly distributed throughout the crumbs. Now it's time for the magic ingredient, butter. Pour in the melted butter and mix thoroughly. The butter helps bind the crumbs together and gives the crust that rich, indulgent flavor. Keep mixing until the crumbs are evenly coated and the mixture looks like wet sand, moist enough to hold its shape when pressed, but not soggy. Next, transfer the mixture to a 9-inch pie plate. Use your hands or the bottom of a measuring cup to press the crumbs firmly and evenly across the bottom and up the sides of the dish. Take your time here. An even crust means every bite will have that perfect crunch. And just like that, your pretzel crust is ready to go. It's golden, textured, and absolutely irresistible. This base is the perfect match for our tangy, creamy filling. The salty-sweet combo will make every bite pop with flavor. Not only is this crust easy and quick to make, but it also adds a playful twist to the classic pie crust. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference and will impress anyone who takes a bite. Get ready for the next step. Our luscious, creamy margarita filling is about to take center stage. But first, take a moment to admire your handiwork. The foundation is set and it looks absolutely amazing. The crust is sturdy, flavorful, and ready to hold all that creamy goodness. You're already halfway to dessert greatness. With this crust, you've set the stage for a show-stopping treat. Let's keep the momentum going. Gather your filling ingredients and get ready for the next delicious step. Your crust is done. Let's move forward and create a dessert that's as fun to make as it is to eat. Now for the heart of our pie, the margarita filling. In a large bowl, pour in the sweetened condensed milk and fresh lime juice. Watch as the mixture thickens. Kitchen science at its best. Infuse your drink with the vibrant flavors of tequila, triple sec, and a hint of lime zest for an irresistible margarita twist. Whip everything together until it's velvety smooth, and let the delightful aroma transport you straight to a sun-kissed summer day. Achieving that perfect harmony of sweet and tangy is key. Make sure everything is blended together flawlessly for a refreshing sip that'll leave you craving more. We're so close to the finish line. Next up, we'll create something truly light and airy. This filling is going to steal the spotlight. Are you excited for the whipped cream? Let's keep the momentum going. Time to make our filling cloud-like. Whip your cold, heavy cream until soft peaks form. Chill your bowl and whisk for best results. Don't overwhip. Stop when the cream is fluffy and holds its shape. Gently fold a third of the whipped cream into the margarita mixture to lighten it. Then fold in the rest, using a spatula and a gentle motion to keep it airy. Don't stir, fold so you keep all that lovely fluffiness. The result? A light, dreamy filling that's ready for the crust. This step makes all the difference in texture. Your pie will be soft, scoopable, and irresistible. Almost done. The filling should look pale green and airy. You're about to assemble your masterpiece. Let's get it into the crust. The magic is happening. On to the next step. On to the next. Get ready, everyone. It's time for assembly. Pour your fluffy margarita filling into the pretzel crust. Use a spatula to spread it evenly to the edges. Smooth the top or create decorative swirls. Make it your own. Tap the pie plate gently on the counter to release air bubbles. That's it. Your pie is assembled and looks incredible. You've combined salty, sweet, and tangy into one show-stopping dessert. The hard part is over. Take a moment to admire your work. This is the moment it all comes together. Ready for the freezer? Let's chill this beauty. You're almost at the finish line. Great job. Time for the big freeze. Now, let us embrace patience with open hearts. Place your pie on a level surface in the freezer. Loosely cover with plastic wrap or foil to prevent ice crystals. Freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight for best results. This is the perfect make-ahead dessert. While it chills, clean up, or relax, you've earned it. The anticipation is part of the fun. Soon, you'll have a frozen masterpiece. Set a timer and get ready for the final reveal. The wait will be worth it. Time for the finishing touch. Take your pie out and let it sit for 5-10 minutes. Garnish with thin lime slices, a sprinkle of lime zest, and a touch of whipped cream. For a margarita twist, add a pinch of coarse sea salt on top. These simple garnishes make your pie look bakery-worthy. Presentation matters. Make it shine. Your pie is ready for its big debut. Get your plates and knife ready. It's almost time to serve. The moment we've all been waiting for has finally arrived. Run a sharp knife under hot water for clean slices. Serve up those gorgeous pieces and watch the smiles appear. This pie is more than dessert. It's a reason to celebrate. Whether for a party or a treat-yourself day, it brings sunshine to your table. You did it. Be proud. Thanks for watching and joining us in the kitchen. If you make this pie, share your photos and tag us on social media. You can even share in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up if you're excited to try this. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for a world of fun and easy recipes. And don't forget to ring the notification bell. This way, you'll always be the first to know about the delicious new creations we're whipping up in the kitchen. Until our next baking adventure, don't forget to embrace the joy of baking and spread those smiles. Let your creativity rise and fill your kitchen with deliciousness. Happy baking!